Hello, my name is Alex.
Hey Alex, I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. You?
I'm from Canada.
That's great. Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it a lot.
Me too, it's a nice place.
What do you do?
I'm a student. And you?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
That's cool. I'm learning English now.
Very good. How long?
About 5 months.
You speak well.
Thank you. I study every day.
Keep going.
Thanks. Nice talking to you.
You too. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. You?
At 6:30.
What do you do first?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Same here.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat bread and cheese.
I eat eggs.
Nice. How do you go to work?
I take the subway. You?
I walk.
When do you start work?
At 9 a.m.
Me too.
What do you do after work?
I watch TV.
I go for a walk.
When do you sleep?
Around 10:30.
I sleep at 11 o'clock.
Sleep is important.
Yes, it is. Do you have a big family?
Not really. You?
I have a small family.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, one sister.
I have one brother.
Are you married?
No, I'm not. You?
Yes, I am.
Do you have children?
Yes, one daughter.
Nice. How old is she?
She is 6 years old.
Where do your parents live?
In the same city.
Mine live far away.
Do you visit them?
Yes, sometimes.
Family is important.
Yes, very important.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What's the problem?
I'm new here. I need the library.
No problem, it's close.
How do I go there?
Walk straight ahead.
How far?
2 blocks.
Then what?
Turn left.
What will I see?
A big blue building.
Is that the library?
No, it's next to it.
On which side?
On the right side.
How long does it take?
About 8 minutes.
Is it open now?
Yes, until 7 p.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.